Welcome. It's a pleasure to have you in my house. Please come in. I live in a small, yellow house in the center of the city. It is simple, but full of personality. The front door is red, and there is a small welcome mat with flowers on it. Inside, the living room greets you with a soft, brown sofa, a wooden coffee table, and a big, flat-screen TV on a white stand. On the shelves, there are books, picture frames, and a small clock that ticks loudly when the house is quiet. The kitchen is my favorite place. It has green walls, a shiny black fridge, and white cabinets with silver handles. There is a round table in the middle with 4 chairs, perfect for eating breakfast. My stove is old but reliable, and next to it is a small microwave. The sink is always full of dishes, but hey, that's life in the city. My bedroom is tiny but cozy. The bed has a soft mattress, a pink blanket, and fluffy, white pillows. Next to the bed, there is a wooden nightstand with a lamp and an alarm clock. My closet is small, but it fits all my clothes, shoes, and even some old boxes that I never open. The bathroom is bright and clean, with blue tiles on the walls. There is a white bathtub, a shower curtain with little fish on it, and a mirror above the sink. The cabinet under the sink is full of random things: shampoo, soap, toothpaste, and that one hairbrush I never use. Living here has its good and bad sides. The best part is the convenience. Everything I need is close: shops, cafes, and even the post office. But the noise? Oh, the noise. Cars, buses, and people never stop. At night, the bar across the street plays loud music, and my neighbors love to argue. Still, my little house makes me happy. Thank you for visiting. If you want, subscribe to the channel, and let's stay in touch. All the best, and see you next time.
Welcome. It's a pleasure to have you in my house. Please come in. I live in a small, white house in the countryside. It's peaceful, quiet, and surrounded by nature. The front door is soft brown, and there's a wooden porch with a rocking chair. I have a little garden in front, full of colorful flowers, and a big tree where birds sing all day. Inside, the living room is simple but cozy. There's an old, green sofa with a knitted blanket draped over it, a wooden coffee table, and a bookshelf full of dusty books. The TV is small, but who needs TV when you have a window with a view of the hills? On the walls, I have family photos and a clock that seems to tick louder at night. The kitchen is the heart of my home. It has yellow walls, white cabinets, and a big old-fashioned stove. There's a round table with mismatched chairs and a fruit basket in the center. My fridge is small but always full of fresh eggs, milk, and cheese from the farm next door. I also have a kettle for tea and a cookie jar that's never empty, for long anyway. My bedroom is peaceful and bright. The bed has a quilt my grandmother made with colorful patterns, and there's a little wooden nightstand with a lamp and a book I always mean to finish. The wardrobe is simple but big enough for my jeans, boots, and sweaters. Outside the window, I see the fields and sometimes a cow or two wandering by. The bathroom is small but practical. There's a white sink, a mirror, and a shower with good water pressure when the well is full. I also have a shelf with soap, towels, and a bottle of lavender spray to keep things fresh. Living in the countryside has its good and bad sides. The best part is the peace and quiet. I wake up to the sound of birds, not cars. The air is fresh and I can walk outside barefoot without stepping on gum. But oh, the downsides. The Wi-Fi is slower than a snail, and the nearest grocery store is a 20-minute drive. Also, let's not talk about the bugs. Mosquitoes seem to think I'm their favorite snack. Still, I love my little house. It's simple, warm, and full of life. The countryside teaches you to enjoy the small things, like the smell of fresh grass or the sound of rain on the roof. Thank you for visiting. If you want, subscribe to the channel and let's stay in touch. All the best and see you next time.